Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore backup on the Redmi Note 14S. Alright, so let's begin. So I just downloaded the WhatsApp to show you the whole process. Also, if you don't know how to create a backup, on our channel there is a video and I'm showing you the whole process, so if you want you can simply look for it. In that video I'm explaining step by step how to do it. Alright, so just like I have said, simply open up your WhatsApp. Now click on agree and continue. Now you need to enter your phone number and verify, so that's what I'm going to do now, so just give me a second. Okay, then click on next once you have typed your phone number. Okay, we're almost done. Alright, once you have verified, you should have something like that. And also you need to remember that you need to be logged in before you start this process. In the settings of your device you need to be logged in into the same Google account on which you made the backup earlier. It is crucial, otherwise there is a possibility that you won't have the same thing that I have on the screen, and you might not have a possibility to restore the backup. So make sure that you are logged in into the same Google account on which you made the backup. Okay, now you have this contacts in media. Click on continue, click on allow, and allow. And now we have option to restore our chats. Below we can see when the last backup was made. In my case it was yesterday at 6 p.m. Below we have the size and the account on which I made the backup. And currently I am logged in the device settings of this device into the same Google account. And now simply click on restore, and remember that if you won't restore now, there's a chance that you can't do that later. So click on restore right now. Alright, you can see that 20 messages has been restored and your media will restore in the background. So now we want to click on next. In here under the profile info we have possibility to type our name. And if you are interested in changing the profile photo, you can do it by clicking on that plus button right in here. And now we want to click on next. And now, as you can see, all of the messages, including the videos and the photos, has been successfully restored into our device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.